Memories echo inside me as time is slowly ticking away. I miss the way that we were in harmony.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grass green into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. for you. Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Would you be waiting? My days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past, finding reasons to smile and to laugh at. Whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good.
It isn't strange that we are still feeling connected. So I propose that we embrace love, hope, and our affection. Nostalgia is crashing down, a bittersweet burning feeling. Cause when I start to look around, home isn't the same way you're leaving. Our memories won't last forever, no longing for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, I'll sing for